Hi there, students. In a bind. This is a phrase that means you're in trouble, in a difficult situation, in an awkward situation that is not easy to resolve. So to bind, to tie together. But I thought about this phrase, in a bind, and then I realised there are loads of other phrases with the same meaning and the same structure. You could be in a jam. You could be in a hole. You could be in a tight corner, pressed, in a tight spot. You could be in a pickle, or even in a fix. Yeah, and all of these mean the same thing, that you're in a difficult situation, that there isn't an obvious and easy solution. I'm really in a bind. I borrowed £1,000 and I've got to pay it back by tonight. And if I don't, they're going to break my legs. So I'm in a jam, in a hole. I'm in a pickle, if you like. Okay, so when I'm in a bind, when I'm in a tight corner, I always ask my brother for help. He didn't come into work today and we really are in a bind. We're in a tight spot because there's nobody to give the classes. Notice very often with this phrase we use the qualifier a bit of. I'm in a bit of a bind. I'm in a bit of a jam. I'm in a bit of a hole. I'm in a bit of a pickle. It's very, very common to use that as well today. My car's broken down and I'm in a bind and I really need to get to London. Do you think you could give me a lift? I'm really in a fix because I can't find a hotel and I've got nowhere to sleep tonight. So notice all of these phrases, in a bind, in a jam, in a pickle. These are all slightly informal, maybe 4.5 informality. I think I would use all of these phrases in an informal situation. You might use them in a semi-formal conversation, but I think in a difficult situation. Don't use this phrase in a bind in something very formal, definitely not. And I don't really think it's something you'd write. This is something that you say. Yeah? I'm in a difficult situation. I'm in an awkward situation. I have a difficult problem. Something like that more formally. So, in a bind, bind, bound, bound, tied up, in a difficult, awkward situation. Easy to remember. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. In a bind, in a jam, in a hole, in a tight corner, in a tight spot, in a pickle, and in a fix. Bye for now.